Clear dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and glow up your skin. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make 100% natural lightening oil using powerful ingredients like lemon zest, carrot, and turmeric. This oil will blend and make your skin super soft. I mean super soft. So if that is what you want, please stick around and enjoy this video. I'll be sharing with you some of the benefits of using this ingredient. Number one is carrot. Carrot is rich in beta carotene for radiant skin. Lemon zest on its own is a natural brightener with vitamin C. Turmeric reduces dark spots and boosts glow. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes the skin and also nourishes the skin. Olive oil is packed with antioxidant and softening properties. The first step of making this glow oil is grating your carrots. For this project, I'll be using 9 pieces of carrots. You can use lesser or higher amount of carrots depending on the quantity of body oil you wish to make. After I was done grating, I'll put it in a tray and allow it to air dry for 1 hour or 2 hours before making use of it. Repeat the same process with your lemon. After some hours, the grated ingredient has dried up a bit, and now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. After I'm done adding the turmeric powder, I'll go in with 2 cups of coconut oil and half cup of olive oil. Then allow this to gently heat until bubbles appear. Alright, please do not overheat this oil. At this point, you can boil for 20 to 30 minutes so that the remaining water will dry up completely and we will have a body oil that won't go rancid. To know our carrot oil is ready, the oil will turn from white to orange and the carrot oil will shrink in size. If you're at this point, you need to give yourself a sound clap. So after boiling the carrot oil, you have to properly sieve it and store yours, okay? But for me, I'll allow it to infuse for some days before using it. Guys, our natural lightening body oil is ready. Please and please do not forget to drop a like, comment and subscribe for more beauty and hair care tips. Bye.